Hey guys, welcome back. So Apple has recently announced their latest macOS, that is macOS Sequoia, or you can also call it as macOS 15. So I have been busy creating videos on their latest macOS. So you can go to my YouTube channel and watch out these videos. So in today's video, I will be talking about how you can install macOS Sequoia on your Mac, and the second part will be how you can create a bootable installation media for clean installing the macOS 15. So let's start. The first step is to download the installassistant.pkg file. So you can go to my website. I will share all these download links in the video description below. So you can simply go to this article and download the file. So since Apple has already only released the beta version, so I have added the beta file. So once the official update is there, I will keep updating this article so you can download the latest version and proceed. So just click on this and download the install.assistant.pkg file. So as I have already downloaded this file, I will skip this process. So this is the file. So if you want to directly install macOS Sequoia, that is macOS 15 on your Mac, just double click on this, click on continue, click on install, type in your password and click on install software. So once the installation is successful, you can click on close. Now go to your Finder and click on applications. So now you can see this install macOS 15 beta icon. And if you want to install macOS Sequoia on your system, just double click on it and please proceed. But for now, I am moving on to the second part, that is how you can create a bootable installation media for clean installing macOS 15. So just right click on this file and click on show package contents. Now double click on contents and now click on resources. We will be needing this create installation media file. So the next step is to insert your pen drives for creating bootable installation media. So once your pen drive has been detected, the next step is to go to your launchpad and type in terminal. Once the terminal is open, just write sudo sudo followed by a space and drag and drop this create installation media file. Now type in 2 hyphens followed by volume and a space and drag and drop your pen drive and press enter. Now type in your password. Now type in Y to proceed. So now this process will take some time, as it will erase the disk first and then create a bootable installation media for your latest macOS. So once this process is complete, you will see install media now available at this. So you can just click on it and see that your bootable installation media is now ready. So to clean install your macOS, simply restart your system into the boot mode and proceed with the installation. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe us for more amazing content. Thank you so much.